Welcome to Deep River Farm. Well, spring is in the air. Hear those quail? And the roosters? That means we get ready to have some quail eggs finally. We're gonna walk down here this morning and look at this beautiful full moon I wanted you to see shining off of the water this morning here at Deep River Farm. Folks, it was supposed to have been a blood moon last night. It was very, very cloudy here, so we couldn't see anything after the time that they gave this morning really early to view it, but it's cleared now. There was a lot of sky trails yesterday here. Imagine that. And now they're calling for this really bad weather this weekend, threats of tornadoes and stuff. But just look at there, folks. Look how pretty that is, beaming off of the water out here at Deep River Farm. We're getting ready to feed the chickens and the quail and get everything ready for the day for them. But I thought this might be something you'd like to see. I appreciate you joining me this morning on Deep River Farm. I hope everybody has a blessed day.